Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sourav Saha. Today, I'm going to show you how to reverse a range vertically in Excel. Suppose you have a list of students' names. This names arranged as per their roll number like roll 1 to roll 50. What if you need to write all names from roll 50 to roll 1? It's hard working to type all the names again in reverse order. We can simply do it with a default Excel function. I am showing how. Type equals then index, first brackets. Within the first bracket select the range which you want to flip. Then make the range absolute reference by pressing F4. Then comma, type rows, within the bracket select the range again but make the last cell absolute reference. And close the brackets, hit enter. Drag the formula. Congratulations, you learn it. The formula seems quite complex, so why don't you use the easiest way? Let me show you how. Use a custom VBA function, get it from the description of this video. First, we need to open the VBA editor. Here's how you do it. Open Excel. Press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert and click on Module. Now, simply paste the code from the video description into the module. Now that you've pasted the code, let's see how to use these functions in your Excel worksheet. In an empty cell, type equals reverse values and within the bracket select the range which you want to reverse. And that's it. You've learned how to use custom VBA functions to reverse a range in Excel. You can find the VBA code in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to our channel for this kind of video and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching.